Alrighty guys, so this is what the pier looks like. It's actually a concrete pier. It looks kind of cool, right? So far I've seen people catch shiners. They use shiner perch. It's only up here on North. Like I said, I usually go down to Oceanside, the pier here, but it's my first time up north, so you know, hopefully I catch something. They're catching jack smelt and shiner perch, but it's down there. The Sabiki rig, I'll be using it, Sabiki rig actually, right here. I went to a bait store. It's cheaper than the one in the Oceanside bait store. $3.95. Same size. Size 3, size 4. They work really good. Right here. This is $6 in the pier. Over here it's $4, so I'm happy. So I'm gonna open this up. And I'm just gonna stick with this for the whole entire duration of the trip. You see this? So size 4, good for jack smelt. Down south in Oceanside you can catch herring and stuff. I'm excited though. I'm really excited. I'm excited what I should get. I'm gonna remove the Sabiki rig. Well, I'm gonna tie it first. Ching, anchovy here. So anchovies here. Other stuff. So I'm gonna tie this. The knot I use is the uni knot. There's a bunch of tutorials online. I might do a knot tutorial because I only use one knot, which is crazy. Maybe even 2 knots, but I found a way over that second knot. So to do the knot, you see this? You do a loop and then you just go around 3-4 times. So in braided line, you're supposed to do it like 6, 7, 8 times, but I'm too lazy. So, uni knot. They're doing copyrighted music here, so I don't know. Right there, I tied it up. I'm going to use torpedo sinker because I don't want to scare the tiny smelt, you know what I mean? I might upgrade the sinker though, because this is a... Okay. So, first cast. The sinker just feels like nothing at all. But yeah, they're catching shiners, but I don't have any bait. I'm just gonna jig it. Alright, see you when I catch a fish. First smelt of the day. I knew this was gonna be similar to that of Oceanside, where I should just drop it a little bit and just cast it. Just drop it and just jig like crazy, just like just spaz out. And the hard work paid off, guys. Look at this. Smelt in first fish in Pacifica Pier. I'm kind of happy about that. Smelt looks nice, looks decent size. Let me unhook it first. They have small teeth. I mean small mouths. But here you go, first smelt of the day. Guys, so this is what I'm doing. Literally, just jigging up and down, up and down. This pier looks nice. It's a lot windier than I would imagine, but the smelt are here, definitely here. I mean, just jigging up and down, that's about it. Good thing I have one rod because it's just easier to go up and down the... I think she caught one too. Another fish for another person. Nope. But yeah, you just go up and down and just wait for a fish. It's like herring. It's literally just like herring. You just jig it up and down for smelt. And then if you want, you can always move around and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Tell you when I catch a fish. Oh my gosh, I just caught 2 big smelt, but I had to record, and so they both went away. What the heck? All right, now I know that there's a bunch of fish here. Let's try to catch more, guys. That was like first 30 seconds, just instant fish. So yeah, there's a lot of fish here. You just need to just wait and stuff and just jig. Jigging is fun. I just caught 2. Those are 2 big perch too. I mean, smelt. Just here, just chilling with the smelt. People here going for salmon because I see like the buoys or type of stuff. People go salmon fishing here a lot too. Let me reel it up a bit. Yep. Ooh, a smelt was chasing it. I saw that one. Maybe if I drop it down just a tad bit, because I definitely see the smelt. I saw that a big one chase just not long time ago. So if I just keep on jigging, I will catch something eventually. Because I see them chasing. There's a bunch of big smelt here. If I just reel it in a little bit more, just keep on jigging. Oh yeah, did I mention that there's jellyfish here? I don't know if you can see it, but there's one right there. Hopefully we can catch something again. People are using bait. I'm just using the feathers. I think I caught something. Yep. Another fish. Second fish of the day. Another jack smelt. People think it's a trash fish. I don't. I think it tastes good because I eat it. Alright, buddy. Stay still. I can catch a bunch of jack smelt. Like, people hate on jack smelt. People don't want to catch them. I'll be here. It's catch of the day. Second jack smelt. Let's catch more. There's some monster jack smelt here, not gonna lie. I don't know why, but here the jack smelt are just filled with like goodness. You know, they've been eating smelt steroids, you know what I mean? Alright, let's catch more, guys. Maybe I went a little bit. Let me go a little bit deeper. The smelt here fight 10 times more than oceanside. That's cool. It's like kind of catching herring down south. You just jig up and down. Then you're gonna definitely catch 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, or maybe the whole Sabiki rig. There's a whole big school of them. See when I catch another one. Guys, another smelt. Look at that. Nice. Let me unhook it. Stop, they're not slimy at all. Alright, let's attempt. They're in the surface, so ooh, see? I saw them again. They're like at least 10, 15 feet from the pier. You see that? Like right there. Oh, this one's fighting good. Ooh. Another one. Fourth one of the day. Let's try at least catch 20 or something. Oh, these are extremely slimy. Oh, okay, let's catch more. Smelt life hacks, guys. Just cast it out and jig it. People use bait, but not a lot of them know to jig it. Hayabusa size 3 hot hooks. The best. Hayabusa is the best. But this is not hayabusa, it's some random off-brand, but still really good. Oh. Another one. A smaller one though. Look at that. Oh, this one's been like double hooked. How do I remove this? There you go. Frying the smelt is good. Good food. Alright, let's catch another one. The pier here is a lot more smelt than in Oceanside. And they're bigger. They're really big. And they school a lot, so most likely if you catch one, you catch more. But if they leave, you gotta move. That's why you have to move with the smelt. Right now the spot's still good, doing me good service. Like that. See, look at that. Big smelt. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Just need to get a big bite. I caught two. The small ones though. But I see these in Island Pacific. They sell the small ones for expensive too, so I'm not mad. These are good. Just fry it whole. These off-brand hayabusas are like go crazy. I don't know how many I caught anymore. Oh yeah, they got foul hooked. They're gonna die. Huh? Where? Fish? Dolphins. Oh yeah, I see it. There's a lot of dolphins in Oceanside. Alright. Huh? Wanna try? No? So much jellyfish here. I already counted at least 19 or 20. Yeah. Monster. Another monster smelt, guys. Look at this. Just by jigging it, you can catch a bunch. A lot. Small ones, big ones. This is a mackerel size right here. They squirm too much though. We should have got the tongs. Okay, buddy, come down. This is a hot spot for smelt, this area. Honestly, I don't even need to cast it. It's more of like dropping it. Like I could just do that. And then just, I think that'll work better. Different strategies. It's just, pier fishing is like trial and error. You try something, doesn't work, keep on trying another thing again. But then it will work. So right now they're using bait, it's working, but there's always it seems like there's always a better way. And I caught another one. So far jigging is better right now than bait. Small dinkers, but they work fine when you just... I think dropping it down works a lot better. Let me see. Because you still see these monster perch just... smelt just gulping this. It's crazy sometimes. Because this... Look that. Look there.
4?
Anchovies. They're on the surface. Alright, well, back at it here with 2 big smelt. Wow. Whew. My shoulder's starting to hurt now. But look at these. These are all mackerel size. It's super rare to catch these at Oceanside. They're super big here. It's crazy. Look at that.